Hello everyone. Today we're making a super easy, delicious side dish, baked parsnips. If you want something low carb, flavorful, and a perfect alternative to potatoes, this is it. In a large bowl with 4 large diced parsnips, you will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then toss them to coat them well. Then we will sprinkle in our spices, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Now mix everything really well so each piece has good flavor. And spread them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet in a single layer. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, flipping halfway through. They should come out soft on the inside and nicely browned on the edges. And that's it, a simple, tasty side dish that goes great with almost anything. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like and subscribe for more low-carb meals. See you next time.